Hey y'all, it's me back again with another fucking video. You already know. I just want to say thank you to Alipearl hair for sponsoring this video, sending me some bouncy bombshell curls. Y'all know I never really wear curls, but this, I decided to do an easy no edges look so that I could wear the wig exactly how it came out the box. It came already pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-parted, pre-curled, like everything was already done. So it was a very quick and easy process for me to install. This wig is 26 inches HD lace. Look at how cute my wig band is. She's sparkly. I hope you guys enjoy this wig. If you buy it, I definitely enjoyed it. As I said, I didn't have to do anything. You'll see in the video, I did not touch this wig at all. I took it straight out the box and put it on my head. The only thing I did was take a little razor like this and like shave the front so that I could have like a little layered curl effect. And then that was it. All of the details to the hair will be down in my description box, and you can go look at my transition video on TikTok as well. So I'll see y'all later. Mwah.
Way too rich to drive a Rolls. Made a milli out the stove. She let them put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her all the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, yeah. Pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man to man. Pull up in the trenches like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Young nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick since she was a pro. She scrape with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride it like she's facts. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 racks. To the East Coast, double that. On my neck, a bubble back. On my wrist, new Cadillac. Cause all don't want a bag. Little bitch, I'm a superstar. These hoes wanna fuck my car. My dog put a nigga in park. Gotta watch out for the knives.
Go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Hair so good, she an honor roll. She'll ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She ride a dick like a carnival. Been over having flashbacks, she gon' eat me up like a carnival. The way I pop my shit, the hoes not ready. I'm going barnacles. Moving to feel like a Jason. Can't get arrested, I make them stop move. She want a private session, roll out them aces when I'm on Melrose. She telling my name on her titties, yeah, you can bust it, but it's a borrow. Sitting back counting them doors, I was raised in a burrow. She wanna taste it, checking the sweat today, ho, come back tomorrow. If you know what I know how to hold, just out the face, don't having them hand toes. Running around in the lobby, I know that they tired me, having like 10 hoes. She needs some crazy pencils just to be presidential. Hold up, I'm out to buy some benches, made the whole eat me for dinner. Whoa, pain all in my eyes, I can't see. I'm out to jump out my body, I'm ready to leave. I'm out to nut on her body and tell the whole leave. 50 mil stuff in the bag, tell the whole gang eat. Jake and body, tell me who fucking with weakness. Oh, I like that color, I'm feeling that hole in my sleep. Dollar signs all in my dreams, I don't never see Z's. Whoa, this way, cover my body like it's a disease. Whoa.
for too long. And I ain't got too many options. Move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Move too fast, live too fast. Ain't no such thing as too fast. Still alive, but my heart broke. I could be dead by tomorrow. You got eyes on me. You take me soon. Please make it rude. Always in love. I ain't got much to lose. I couldn't sleep by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM. 500 for your fucking hair, 200 for your fucking nails. You running out of shoes to wear, so I bought you another pair. Girl, I got you another dress, so bring your ass up down them stairs. I buy you shit because you wear it, and plus because you know I care. But you know you love it here, that's why you keep on coming there. Your nigga can't compete, I swear. He tried but now he look too weird, baby. I come and slide by 8 p.m. and send a text to your DM.